Hi guys, Lulu from Boho Locs here, and I wanted to share with you all about our brand new purple elephant jewel kits. And it's a kit containing 3 jewels. One is a gold jewel with a cowrie shell attached along with some purple and gold beads. The second one is a gold jewel with a hoop attached, which has gold and purple beads. And the third one is my absolute favorite, which is a gold jewel alongside the purple elephant. I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in my locks. I'm very excited. So you can see I've got my jewels. So Mr. Elephant is here, the ring is here, and the shell is here. I love it. I really like this. I think that it looks really different. So we are very excited to announce the release of these beautiful jewels, and they're available right now on boholocs.com.